Captain speaking.
If you want to shorten your travel time, you'll want to avoid these airports and airlines. Hey everybody, I'm Dowling for Buzz60. Even if you think you're an expert traveler and arrive early and even double bag your 3-ounce liquids so they don't leak, there's still something you can't plan on: travel delays. Thanks to data crunching from 538 Life, sticking to certain airports, airlines, and routes will help you get there on time, while others will have you waiting. The best airport to fly into? Honolulu International. Expect your flight to be a breeze because this airport subtracts the most minutes from your travel time. For a round-trip flight to Honolulu, expect to save 10 minutes. Portland International and San Diego International rank 2nd and 3rd respectively, whereas flights to and from New York's LaGuardia Airport are the most delayed, tacking on nearly an hour with a 30-minute average delay flying out and 27 minutes flying in. And sorry, New Yorkers, the other major airports, Newark and JFK, are also at the bottom of the list. 538 Life also shows Virgin America, Alaska Airlines, and Delta are the 3 most timely airlines, while Spirit, American, and United all drag behind. So to maximize your vacation, book a trip to Hawaii, just not out of New York City. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.